Well, guys.
Hey.
This is Anthony, Seth, and Aaron. This is our first video for all three of us to be together.
Yeah, that's a first for there.
And this is going to be Burp Contest 2. Well, the first one was going wrong, but anyway, it's 2.
Yeah, basically.
Okay. I guess he started.
What a way to kick it off.
Ow. Ow, that hurt.
Okay. Alright, my turn. Hold on. Shut up, second. You're sad.
Damn.
Damn, it was my turn.
It's hard not to laugh at you guys. I'm sorry.
I can't even laugh. I can't even.
This is a perfect example of what good friends are like.
You're making me tear up.
Holy shit. Oh, God.
Forget. Okay, y'all both be quiet so I can try.
Snickers.
The fuck? Whoa!
Wow, dude.
Dude,
okay,
alright?
I'm back. Alright, sorry about that. Sickening.
Oh, man.
You alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And then I'm gonna try it again. God, just shut up.
Somebody said Snickers.
Just don't say it.
Oh, man.
I'm tearing up here. Okay.
Whoa.
Yo, big head, out of the way.
Alright.
Here we go.
Okay, your turn, Aaron.
Talking about delayed reaction.
Oh, God.
Shit. Dude, I got drink all in my eyes.
Damn.
Okay. That would be bad if one of us spits up this time. Especially him. Yay! He did it! Come on, Burp, damn it.
Yeah, about time you did it. Okay, what the hell?
Dude, I'm gonna laugh if you burp and spit up.
I'm trying.
He did it last time, as you all know.
Yeah, we all know that one.
That was funny as hell when he burped and spit up at the end. Okay, now it's my turn.
My sport moment, basically.
Skittles.
Skittle. Skittle, more like shittle.
Okay, y'all just be quiet. Let me try and burp.
Man.
Man, I can't even do it now. Hold on. That was fucking puny. Thanks a lot. I had to do that. Damn.
Man, we gotta put this on you.
We are.
Oh, yeah, my bad. Yeah, forgot.
Damn.
We did it at the same time. That was weird.
Yeah, yo did.
Ow.
Alright, I'm gonna try the rest of my drink because I ain't got much left.
Oh, fuck.
And the bad thing was
After that, I still got a little bit of mine, too.
Bad thing was last time the same thing happened and he spit out. Anyway.
I got half a can here.
I got like that much. Okay, let me
I
try.
got that much.
There we go.
Holy
Your turn,
shit,
Aaron.
nuggets.
Damn.
Your turn, Aaron. Just gonna flush off what you got if you can.
Damn, that was shitty.
It was supposed to be.
That's where it went.
Alright, come on, Aaron. Hurry up. Okay, your turn, Seth.
That's it.
I'm done. Come on.
I'm done too.
Hurry up.
Hurry up, shittle.
Sticky noodle!
Shitty noodle.
Alright, Burp, damn it.
I lost it. It's gone.
You son of a...
I'm serious.
Just keep trying. Just let it... Stay still, let it build up. It should, I'm sure. That was freaking shitty. Come on, you gotta do something.
Shit biscuit.
Okay. Peace out, guys. This was our Seth, Anthony, and Aaron.
Yeah,
Peace out.